So greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. To all my returning residents, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. And to those of you who are first tuning in, I hope you enjoy the stay and smash that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a unboxing and first impression of Paris Corner's Mango Punch, which will also be compared to Vilhelm Perfumerie Mango Skin. So if you're interested in any content like this, keep on watching. So before we get into the comparison video, guys, I need you to take a look at the Wilhelm's Perfumery presentation mango skin. This is just freaking breathtaking. The bottle, everything about it just screams luxury. So take a look. All right, so before we start the comparison again, all right, so I just want to give myself a refresher of this fragrance. So I'm going to spray it on a scent strip here. 2 sprays, and the spray is just wonderful, guys. Yo, this smells so freaking good. It's tropically. You get the mango, the black currant. I think there is jasmine in this fragrance. There is some patchouli is one of my favorite notes. It's not so heavy in this one, or should I say dominant. But the mango in this one is just so damn good. It's juicy. It smells so freaking good. Yo, this one is really, really good, guys. Really, really good. I love this one. Now to unbox the other one. Yo, guys, can you believe I was recording a while ago and the friggin' camera was not recording? So I removed the cellophane. Then I realized it wasn't recording. So let me do again. So this one is Paris Corner Mango Punch. I'm going to tell you if this one is close to mango skin or if it's a perfect alternative, cheaper alternative to mango skin. So I have my scent strip here. Let me go ahead and give this 2 spray and tell you exactly what I think. Yo, the distribution is very beautiful. Look. Ooh, nice. Not bad. However, I will not say this is an inspiration of mango skin. I'm not getting the similarity between both of them just yet, other than this one is like a candied mango scent I'm getting from this one. Now I'm getting a slight similarity to mango skin opening, so probably when it dries down, it will lean more to mango skin. But for now, all I'm getting is like a candied fruitiness in this one. Really, really nice though. This is really good. This is really, really good. There's this bright, radiant, this nice, effervescent, or should I say citric scent in the background that I'm getting from this one. It could be from the blackcurrant, but I'm not so certain as yet. But this, I'm not getting the floral, neither the lavender in this one. Probably when it dries down, I will get more. But for now, this is not a alternative to mango skin, in my opinion. Would I wear this one? Definitely. Would I tell you to try this one? Most definitely. But if you're looking for an alternative to mango skin, this one missed the mark so far based on the opening, but the dry down is where it probably leans more. I'm going to give it about an hour and then come back to you and tell you what I think. So it has been an hour so far, and I have good news, guys. This one is about 80% similar to mango skin. The trick thing about mango skin for me is that on my skin, I don't really get the orris, neither do I get the patchouli, but on this test strip, I'm getting so much of the orris in this one. This one, I'm picking up on the florals in this one, not to mention the orris is like a nice powdery scent. The patchouli, not so much, but I will definitely tell you that it is at least 80% similar to mango skin. Would I recommend getting this one? Most definitely. Would I say get this in replacement of that one? I would not say that, but I would just say try both of them for yourself, see which one of them you prefer, and then from there you can take it, guys. But these 2 fragrances are freaking amazing nonetheless. I can't speak to the performance, neither the projection, neither the complement factors on this one, but I can tell you that mango skin is so freaking amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. This one, guys, I'm going to give away, and I probably give you an update in terms of the performance, but for now, solid 80% compared to the mango skin, guys. Beautiful fragrance. So there you have it. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood. As always, like, share, comment down below, and ensure you subscribe to my channel as well. Peace. I am out.